So far, this isn't working so hot. Hey everyone, it's your girl Melanie. And as you can see, I'm all made up, but there's something that seems to be missing. It's my eyebrows. And because of a terrible mistake I made in the 90s, I don't actually have any eyebrows. They were tattooed at one point and they have completely faded. So I have to apply them every day before I leave the house to avoid looking like this. And I've reviewed other products in the past for eyebrows, but today I'm gonna try eyebrow stencils. These were the cheapest eyebrow stencils I could find on Amazon. You guys, I spent probably about $3 on these. So today we're gonna try them out in front of you for the very first time and see if eyebrow stencils can work on a girl with no eyebrows. Each one of these stencils is labeled A, B, or C, and you have 8 different options for each different style, except some of these are like ridiculous. I'm gonna go through some of these eyebrow styles and I'm gonna select the one that is closest to the shape of the eyebrows that I like to wear. And I think I'm gonna go with this one, and it's thicker at the front and skinnier at the back, and it has a really nice little arch to it. I'm actually gonna just use some powder to apply my eyebrows because I don't want to use pencil and I don't want to use marker because that shit will never come off. On this little stencil there's a guide that shows you where this should line up on your face. The front of your eyebrow should be even with your nostril right here. So I'm gonna line that up with A. The problem with these stencils is that they are not sticky and you actually have to hold it in place, and I think that's gonna be really difficult. So I'm actually gonna try some tape. So I'm gonna go ahead and line this up. I'm gonna try and tape it and hope that this works. So far this isn't working so hot. It doesn't want to stick to my skin. It's on there for a minute. So let's get started. I'm going to use this brown Maybelline eyeshadow single because it's cheap and because I love it. Even though I tried taping it, I think I still need to hold it down. Here we go. Let's try it. It's a lot thicker than what I'm used to. I'm a little scared to take it off. Are we ready? Let's reveal. Ooh, yeah, that is a little thick for me. I kind of feel like Groucho Marx. So now I'm kind of thinking maybe I made a poor choice. I think I'm gonna try this one instead. Since the tape didn't work so well, I guess I'm just gonna hold it. I'm gonna line it up as best I can with my eyebrows. All right. All right, well, there we go. It's a little bit thinner. I mean, the shape is all right. It's so hard to hold that stencil there while you're doing it. Let's try out some of the crazy thin ones. Oh, how about this one? Holy cow. And it keeps going and going. Oh, wow. Now I want to try some of these really long ones. This is like twice the size of my eye. I'll get you and your little dog Toto too! Would anybody really wear this? Now I look like one of the aliens on Star Trek. Last one. I'm actually not hating this one. I mean, is it perfect? Not even close. But I like it enough that I'm actually gonna try it on my other side and maybe we can complete the look. Ready? Ta-da! Well, they're very hard to get perfect. I think I look a hot mess. So the size is okay, but as you can see, they're a little bit crooked. Would I ever buy these again? Hell no. But that's because I've been doing my eyebrows freehand for so many years, and I know what I like, and I can pretty much do it in my sleep. If you're interested in getting yourself a pack of these stencils, as I mentioned, they were so cheap. And I'll put a link in the comment section below so you can pick them up for yourself. They did come directly from China, so it took about like a month to get here. I just thought they were fun, and for a couple of bucks, I really don't regret this purchase, especially if I could share it with you. Make sure you check out my whole playlist for girls with no eyebrows to get some ideas on some things that might work for you. And as always, thank you so much for watching.